guys, welcome back to a new video guys. Yes, hope you all are doing well. So guys, today is Chaturthi and now it's, what is now? It's 9:10 and today it's 9 and 9:10, yes. So today is Chaturthi and today we are gonna go to see some pandals which are in North Kolkata, and today we are gonna explore the whole North Kolkata in not the whole, means the most popular ones, and it's gonna be great fun. And we are gonna travel the whole night. Yes, that's right, we are gonna do a whole night, and let's see when we are gonna start. Our time is to start at 9:30. We and my family and Satyak's family are gonna come. Yes, Satyak always come with sir. So let's see when we can go out. And if you're new to our channel, surely subscribe and like the video if you are liking it. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So guys, now it's 9:37 and now you can see who are with me. Tell a hi.
Hi.
Hi. So as you can see, we all are ready and Satyaki are getting out. So let's see if we can reach in time. And I would like Dad to tell something about today's plan. তুমি কিছু বলতে চাইবে আজকে আমরা কোথায় কোথায় যাব? একটু বেশি বলবেন না, জাস্ট একটু স্মল ডিটেইলস।
মেইনলি আজকে নর্থ কলকাতার ঠাকুরগুলো দেখব।
ওকে, ইনক্লুডিং শ্রীভূমি। Okay, একটা we have one that today we are going to Sribhumi, which is the most famous one now in Kolkata, which is the most main attraction, right? Okay, so let's go.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever try.
So guys, now it's 10:45. See, he's coming. I knew it. তুই আসবি আমি এটা জানি তো। হ্যাঁ বলতে দে ভাই। So guys, now it's 10:45 and this is our first place. This is the Tala Pratta. As today we are in North Kolkata, so this is our first place. So let's see. I will show you some of the decorations, and now we are just entering. Now we are in the way. Excited, Achis? Okay, let's go.
মা দুর্গার আগমনে উল্লাসে আলিঙ্গনে মহামারী মুছে যাবে আজ। ঢাকের পিঠে পড়লো কাঠি, পুজো হোক জমজমাটি, নতুন সাজে সেজেছে আকাশ।
So guys, now you saw our first one. I know here is too much traffic. Hope you can hear clearly. So that was the first one, and now we are going to the second one, which is the Tala Park, which is a little from here, but we have to catch our car. So let's go. So guys, this is our second pandal, which is the Tala Barwadi. Okay, so we have kept our car there, and now we have to walk some. I know here is too much craze, so please avoid that. So we have to walk some distance, so let's go. Let's see how much far from we can see. So let's go.
পুজো হোক জমজমাটি, নতুন সাজে সেজেছে আকাশ।
সাজানো বরণডালা, আকাশে মেঘের ভেলা, চলছে ধুনুচি নাচ।
আসরের ঘন্টা বাজে, এলো মা নতুন সাজে,
আকাশে পূজার গন্ধ, খুশিতে মন মুছেছে গান। আকাশে পূজার গন্ধ, খুশিতে মন মুছেছে গান।
শিউলি ফুলের গন্ধে মাতে, খুশি শারদ রাতে
লাগলো দোলা। close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So guys, now it's dot 1 a.m. and now we are outside our hotel. The dinner was too great, you can see. Now also the roads are filled with lights. It's feeling so nice. Now our destination is Maniktala. From there we're gonna go to the Chalta Bagan, which is just next to them. So now our destination is now 15 to 20 minutes. So it's 15 to 20 minutes from here to Maniktala. I'm confused, so let's go. So guys, actually you knew that we were going to the Maniktala Chalta Bagan, but our planners will cancel that because the Maniktala Chalta Bagan, as it is on the road, we did not even get out of the car. So now we are in front of the Santosh Mitra Square, which is one of the best puja pandals in Kolkata. So now we are going to enter it. From the outside we saw that it has a marble type finish, means it's a Rajasthani palace or a thing. We are just in front of the gate. There's the gate. So let's go in and show you.
ভালোবাসার আলিঙ্গনে
বিজয় আর বিসর্জনে আসছে বছর আবার হবে এক সুরে।
So guys, now let's go to the another spot because we cannot take the shots from here. So let's see. So guys, now we are at the College Square, which we are going through there. You can see the lightings. There is the main temple, means pandal. We are going towards there only. It's 1:23 now, and now also we are alive. Yes, we are alive. We are not dead till now. Now also we are going on. Still few pandals are also left now. So let's see. We can cover up in one day.
সুর মিলিয়ে
ও ভালোবাসার আলিঙ্গনে
বিজয়ের বিসর্জনে
ও আসছে বছর আবার হবে এক সুরে সুর মিলিয়ে বছর বছর এভাবে থেকো মায়ের প্রাণে ভাসিয়ে দুঃখ সবাই সিঁদুরে সোহাগে দশমীর ঢাকে তালে আকাশে পুজোর গঙ্গা খুশিতে মন মুছেছে আকাশে পুজোর গঙ্গা খুশিতে মন মুছেছে
So guys, now it's 2:15 a.m. and now we are just outside the Kumartuli pandal, which is one of the one more interesting pandal. Here only 90% of the murtis of our goddess Durga are made. In the other street, now I'm standing in front of the temple. Lastly you saw which was the ID Tola. It was also great, means they made up the house so nicely and matched it. So now let's see this one. So guys, now it's 3:47 and you may be thinking I am getting this much. I get it, eh? So now I am entering the most awaited pandal of the whole Kolkata, which is the Sri Bhumi. Yes, I know you all know that what pandal is done in Sri Bhumi. Yes, is the largest pandal in our Kolkata, which is the Burj Khalifa, and it is also the largest building in the world also. So today we are gonna go there and see. Means from 4 to 5 hours we are exploring the whole of the North Kolkata. We did not find a little jam too. And when we enter Sri Bhumi, the whole people, everyone is there only. Because anyone go anywhere or not, he or she will definitely come to Sri Bhumi. Means what an attraction they have done. So let us also see what they have done. I will try my best to shoot as I can. Here is too much people. So you can see. At the front there are too many people. So let's see. Hope I will get good shots and I can show you. So let's go.
মা দুর্গার আগমনে উল্লাসে আলিঙ্গনে মহামারী মুছে যাবে আজ ঢাকের পিঠে পড়লো কাঠি পুজো হোক জমজমাটি নতুন সাজে সেজেছে আকাশ মেঘের ভেলা চলছে ধুনু জিনা আসরের ঘন্টা বাজে এলো নতুন সাজে
So guys, now it's 5:10 and now we have returned home. So our journey ends for today. So I would like to end this vlog because I am feeling very sleepy. So hope you like the video guys. If you like it, then like, comment, share and subscribe my channel Anish Vlogs. Meet you in the next video guys. Till then, stay safe.
মা দুর্গার আগমনে উল্লাসে আলিঙ্গনে মহামারী মুছে যাবে আজ